minus 4. Is there any other problem? बाकी सबको दिख रहा है ये? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first row of the first matrix is 0, 2, 3, minus 5, 6, 1, 3, 2, minus 4. Okay? And the second matrix is a minus 1, 2, 6, 0, 3, minus 7, minus 8, 9. And in the second questions, find the basis for the row space and the column space. Okay, so first question, you have to find the row space and the column space of the following matrix. And the second, you have to find the basis for the row space and the column space. The matrix is a first row is a 2, minus 4, 1, 2, minus 2, minus 3. Second row is a minus 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, minus 1. So arrow is showing just for a column now. Okay. So third row is a 10, minus 4, minus 2, 4, minus 2, 4. Okay, got it? I will repeat again. In the second questions, a matrix is equal to its first row is a 2, minus 4, 1, 2, minus 2, minus 3. Second row is minus 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, minus 1. Third row is 10, minus 4, minus 2, 4, minus 2, 4. So try these two questions. Then we have two more questions. Okay. So first you try these two questions. Yes. Did you solve the first question? First question is very easy. I hope you know how to solve this because you have to find out the row space. Now, what is the row space of the matrix? Span of a row vectors. So simply you have to write on the row vectors and then the row space of this matrix A is equal to a span of these row vectors. So in the first case, what are the row vectors? Did you solve the first questions? Is it yes? Are you there? बताओ आपने कर लिया, जिसने कर लिया वो बताएं. हेलो, कंप्लीट हुआ आपका ये? सेकंड क्वेश्चंस, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस में यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द space, no? So what are the row vectors here? First row vector is a 0, 2, 3. Second row vector is a minus 5, 6, 1. And third row vector is a 3, 2, minus 4. So span of these three vectors, that will give you the row space of this matrix. Okay. And the column space is first write on the column vectors. So first column vector is a 0, minus 5, 3. Second column vector is a 2, 6, 2. Third column vector is a 3, 1, minus 4. So span of these three column vectors, span means the set of all linear combinations of this. Okay. So span of these three vectors, that is the column space of the matrix. Similarly, you can find out the second one also. So now try the second question. Find the basis for the row space. Am I audible? Hello? Okay. So try the second question. Find the basis for the row space and the column space of this matrix. How to find out the basis? Anyone can? How to find out the basis? कोई बताएगा? How to find? What is the procedure? How to find out the basis for this row space and the column space of this matrix?
By the formula, the row space equals to column space of A transpose.
Sorry, by the
By the formula, the row space equals to column space of A transpose.
row space is equal to a column space. Yes.
Row space equals to column space of A transpose.
First, you should reduce it into a row echelon form. Okay, and whatever the basis of row echelon form, the matrix also have the same basis for row space. So convert it to row echelon form first.
Can you please scroll down because the screen is not visible from the downside?
Convert into a row reduced echelon form first. Na? You know what is the row reduced echelon form? Yes. Convert this
The
into a, yeah.
diagonal vectors are 1 and the upper triangle, convert it into upper triangle form.
No, exact definitions tell me what is a row reduced echelon forms. In each non-zero row,
सर
first
जिसका
non-zero,
लीडिंग एलिमेंट
first,
1 हो जाए
yeah, first non-zero leading element that should be a one. Okay, and below that leading elements, all should be a
एलिमेंट में 0.
zero. Okay, third criteria, all the zero row should occur below the non-zero. Okay, and the fourth one is if kth row contain first non-zero या first non-zero leading element in the jth columns, then k plus 1th row should occur first non-zero leading element at least in the j plus 1th columns. Meaning is अगर फर्स्ट रो का फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट्स जो है वो फर्स्ट कॉलम में आ रहा है, फर्स्ट रो का फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट अगर सेकंड कॉलम में आ रहा है, तो सेकंड रो का फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट्स कहाँ आएगा? ना तो वो फर्स्ट कॉलम में आएगा, ना वो सेकंड में आएगा, वो एटलीस्ट थर्ड में आएगा. थर्ड में हो सकता है, फोर्थ में हो सकता है, फिफ्थ में हो सकता है. गॉट इट? So that is called the row echelon form. Na? So first reduce it into a row echelon form.
Sir, can okay, sir.
Yeah, I'm writing here one matrix. Please tell me, is it in a row echelon form? Because you should know how what is a row echelon form. Only then you can convert into a row echelon form. Na? So 0, 1, 2, 4, 1, 0, -1, -2, and 0, 0, 0, 0. Is it in a row echelon form? First criteria, in a non-zero row, the first non-zero element that should be equal to a 1. So first non-zero element is a 1 here. Got it? Okay. And below this, all should be a 0. So below this, all are 0 here. Fine. Second row, first non-zero element, that is the 1 here. And below this, it is a 0. Fine. Third row, because this is a 0 row. So, and 0 row are occur below the non-zero. So all three criteria are satisfied. Then the fourth criteria, is it in a row echelon form? First tell me. Yes?
We have to interchange the row by R1 and R2.
Now, why it is not in a row echelon form? All the criteria which you we okay, so they are satisfied, na?
Yes, sir. Because
Yeah. Three criteria you tell me. Okay. The three criteria are satisfied, but the fourth one is not satisfied here because in a first row, I will denote the row by K and J by a column. So in a first row, first non-zero entry that occur in a jth column. So here, what is the column? Is second column, na? And second row, first non-zero entry that occur in a column number 1. Okay. Third is a 0 row. So in a non-zero row, this column should be in a increasing order, but here it is in a not in a increasing order. Okay. So the fourth criteria is not satisfied. If the kth row occur first non-zero entry in the jth column, then k plus 1th row should occur first non-zero entry at least in a j plus 1th columns, or it can be a j plus 2, j plus 3, so on. Fine. That is not satisfied here. So you need to interchange first two row is R1 and R2, you have to interchange. Then you will get 1, 0, -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now this is in a row echelon form. So this will be in a row echelon form. It will satisfy all the four criteria. If so, similarly, you have to convert this matrix in a question number 2 to a row echelon form first. So convert this into a row echelon form. How to convert? By using the row elementary operations or transformations. So convert this into a row echelon form. Okay. So as you will convert into a row echelon form, suppose this in this example, this matrix you have given, this A matrix is given to you. And after row transformation, now elementary transformation, you will get this row echelon form. So this is the row echelon form of the A matrix. So now what are the bases of the row space of a matrix? What are the bases? Can you tell me here? So after converting this A matrix to a row echelon form, what are the bases of the row space of this row echelon form? A matrix have also the same basis. Okay, got it? अगर ए मैट्रिक्स को आपने रो echelon फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया तो रो echelon फॉर्म के जो रो स्पेस के लिए बेसिस होंगे वही ए मैट्रिक्स के रो स्पेस के बेसिस होंगे. सो नो रो echelon फॉर्म में बेसिस कौन से होंगे? दिस नॉन जीरो रो. So what are the bases of here? Basis of R is a row echelon form that is equal to this first row, which is a non-zero, 1, 0, -1, -2, and second vector of the basis is 0, second row, which is a non-zero row, 1, 2, 4. So these are the bases of R, and A also have the same basis. So it is also equal to the basis of row space. Sorry, here basis of row space of R. So basis of similarly for row space of A. So whatever the basis of the row space of this row Euclidean form, so A matrix also have the same basis of the row space. Fine, got it? कोई confusion इसमें? Any doubt? Am I right? Or is there any correction? बताओ जल्दी से. Similarly, given matrix को भी आप रो Euclidean form में reduce करो. जो उसके रो स्पेस के बेसिस होंगे वही ओरिजिनल मैट्रिक्स के रो स्पेस के बेसिस आएंगे. No matter what the column, yes, basis of column space of R. क्या आएंगे कॉलम स्पेस के बेसिस? Those column vector which contain the leading non-zero element of the row. Like this column contain the first leading elements of the first row. So this column, this vector, this column vector will be part of the basis. The second column, is it contain the first non-zero leading element of a non-zero row? Yes. This column also contain this one. Okay, this one, which is the leading elements of the second row. So this column also contain in the basis. Now third column, no, this minus one is not a leading element of the first row. 2 is also not a leading element of the non-zero leading element of the second row, and 0, this is the 0 row. So this column does not contain in the column basis, basis for the column space of this R. Similarly, fourth is also not included. So what are the basis for the column space of R? They are the column vectors 1, 0, 0, and the second vector 0, 1, 0. So these column, they are the basis for the column space of R. Now, what are the bases for the column space of A matrix? Can you tell me? Yes? अरे कुछ बोलो ना आप लोग. मैं ट्यूटोरियल में मैं तो आपको चेक because already you have covered this in a lecture class. So basis of the column space of A matrix is a corresponding column of A matrix. Like basis for column space of A, that is equal to a, I will write here, okay. So corresponding columns, like in R, basis for the column space is a first column and second column. Similarly, in A, first column and a second columns. Okay, that will be the basis for the column space of A matrix. So first column is a 0, 1, 0, and second column is a 1, 0, 0. So these are the basis for the A, corresponding column vectors of the A. Is it clear? समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
ये ऑलरेडी क्लास में भी किया हुआ है ना आपने. So इस क्वेश्चंस के लिए फाइंड आउट करो. फाइंड द बेसिस फॉर द रो स्पेस एंड द कॉलम स्पेस. So first convert into a row, use Euclidean form. कन्वर्ट किया आपने इसको रो रिड्यूस एक्लियन फॉर्म में? व्हाट इज द रो रिड्यूस एक्लियन फॉर्म? यस, what is the row reduced echelon form? Hello? So row reduced echelon form in this case is a question number 2. Row reduced echelon form of A is this R, which is equal to a, what will be the first row? It is a first row is 1
-2,
minus 2,
1/2,
no, 0 0 minus 1 and 1. Okay, second is a 0 1 minus 1/8 and 1/4, 1/2 and minus 3/8. Okay, third is a 0 0 1 2 0 minus 5. Now it is in a row reduced echelon form. If you will check in a first row, first non-zero element is a 1 and below that element all are 0. Okay, in a second row, first non-zero element that is a 1 and below this is a 0. Third row, first non-zero element is a 1, below there is no other elements. Second, third criteria, all the 0 elements, so there is no 0 row. Okay, fourth criteria, फर्स्ट रो का फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट्स आ रहा है फर्स्ट रो में, फर्स्ट कॉलम में, तो सेकंड का जो है एटलीस्ट 2 में आना चाहिए, सो इट इज इन अ 2. और थर्ड का देन इन अ फोर्थ, थर्ड का इन अ थर्ड कॉलम में आना चाहिए एटलीस्ट, तो ये थर्ड में आ रहा है, so it is in a row reduced echelon forms. Then what are the basis for this of a row space? So whatever the basis for the row space of row reduced echelon forms, A matrix also have the same basis, na? So basis for the row reduced echelon form are the these three row vectors here. जैसे अभी हमने पिछले एग्जांपल में किया. Then for in case of a column, what are the basis for the column space? Column space के लिए basis for the column space of this row reduced echelon form is the first column, because first column contain the first non-zero leading elements of the first row. So first column 1 0 0, second column also contain the leading elements, non-zero elements of the second row. Okay, so second column also the basis, and the third columns which also contain the first non-zero leading element of the third row, so third column also. So these three columns will three column vectors will give you the basis for the column space of this R, and their corresponding vector in a matrix. Okay, so corresponding vectors in a matrix are these first three columns: 2 minus 1 10, first vector column vector, second vector minus 4 2 minus 4, this is a second vector, third column vector 1 0 minus 2. So these three vectors will constitute the basis for the column space of this A matrix. Okay, now try this second questions. Find a basis for the subspace of R raised to power 5 spanned by the given vector. Okay, attendance please. 47. Yes, 47. 47 is absent, na? 48,
Present, sir. Sir, present,
yes,
sir.
yes, yeah,
Yes.
present. Okay. 50, 50, 54, 54, 55,
Present, sir.
56,
Sir, 54 present.
56 present, sir.
54,
Sir? हाँ 54 present sir.
58,
Present, sir.
59, 60, 60, 61,
Present.
63,
Present, sir.
64,
Present, sir.
74, 74, 65,
Present, sir.
66,
Present, sir.
73,
73 present, sir.
75,
Present, sir.
76,
Present, sir.
82, 82, 83, 83, 84,
Present, sir.
85, 85, 91, 91,
Present, sir.
92, 92, yes, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 96,
Present, sir.
97,
Present, sir.
98, 100,
Present, sir.
then 101,
Present, sir.
102,
Present, sir.
103,
Present, sir.
सर 95 प्रेजेंट है, वो उसका ऑडियो ऑन नहीं हो पा रहा.
The 103 is also present, sir.
10,
3 present.
Excuse me, sir.
102,
Sir 95 also.
102
me,
is
sir.
present, na? 95 is present.
यस सर, उसका ऑडियो ऑन नहीं हो पा रहा.
ये 35 किसका है?
Sir, 35 is also present. Actually, voice was not coming.
37, sir. 37.
नहीं, 35, 37 तो लिस्ट में नहीं है इसमें.
सर इन्हीं पहले खुशबू मैम की क्लास में ऐड हुए थे, पर वो क्लास हुई नहीं, तो फिर आपकी क्लास में आए थे.
नहीं तो 35 तो जो वो NT1 में है ना?
नहीं सर, NT2 में हो.
नहीं, NT1 में लिखा है यहाँ पे तो. NT1 में नहीं लिखा है, NT2 में लिखा है. NT1 में लिखा हुआ है, NT2 में नहीं हो आप. NT37 भी नहीं लिखा है. NT2 में 47 से स्टार्ट है. 47 NT2 में.
ओके. हाँ सर, फिर जैसे हमारे बैच में बहुत कंफ्यूजन था ऐसे, तो एनवायरनमेंट वाले सर ने कहा था कि आप दूसरी क्लास में भी ज्वाइन होते तो अटेंडेंस तो ऐड हो जाएगी.
नहीं, अटेंडेंस कैसे ऐड हो जाएगी ना, मेरे पास तो 47 से ऐड है यहाँ पर, 47
ओके
से
सर।
है मेरे पास तो, 47 से स्टार्ट है यहाँ पे ना NT2। ओके,
क्योंकि सर बाकी सारी क्लासों में हम बैच 2 में ही बैठते हैं।
नहीं बाकी में बैच 2 में बैठते हैं, बट NT1 में जाना चाहिए ना आपका, NT1 कोई ले रहा होगा ना, अदर टीचर्स विल पुट योर
यस
मार्क्स
सर।
एब्सेंट ना, मेरे पास तो है नहीं इसमें लिस्ट में।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, यू शुड ज्वाइन द NT1 ना, मैं यहाँ
सर
पे
95 की प्रेजेंट है क्योंकि उसका माइक वर्क नहीं कर रहा।
95 की प्रेजेंट है, हाँ मैंने लगा दिया उसको, बता दिया मुझे ने। अब
ओके सर।
कितनी है? 47, 47 absent है, 50 absent है, 59, 60, 82, 83, 85, 92, 93, 94, they are absent ना। okay, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो आप। सेकंड के जैसा ही है, और थर्ड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन जो है वो नल्स पे। जो है NT1 में है वो NT1 का क्लास अटेंड करेंगे। फिफ्टी नाइन, 59, कितनी बार मैंने अनाउंस कर दिया 59? यस 59। एटी टू, Okay, so time is over, so you can leave the class now.